Kakausap ko lang sa isip ko lang. Kausap ko siya. Saka si Asya. Tatawagan.
Oo na. Bigat dito.
That's for the courts to determine, sir. Let's go, sir, please. As a former president, sir, as a prosecutor, and a highly regarded president, sir, and prosecutor.
Let me ask you a direct question. Where are you bringing me?
I'm bringing you to the Hague, sir, the Netherlands.
That's impossible.
Please, sir, we have already settled that. The decision has been made. Hindi ho ito. Andiyan naman, sir, ang mga lawyers mo. Nakita naman nila, sir.
It's a decision of...
Sir, sir, you can bring four members of your, including you, sir, four. We have 4 slots for you.
No. You know, Andre, I'm sick. I'm sickly.
May doktor tayo, sir. Pinalong doktor.
80 years old. Hindi lumalabas ng ano ang
I'm sickly. You have to determine first if I am fit for travel.
Yes, sir. We're going to ask our doctor now, sir, to examine you. If you will allow us, sir.
Oh,
Ano sir, ang doktor natin, sir? Colonel Rico.
Asan ang mga gamit mo?
Isang surgeon, sir.
you cannot. Alam mo, ang history ng lahat ng tao, hindi nakakuha ng
Tingin.
ocular.
Inspection.
You have to go to my doctor.
Hospital muna.
Tignan mo ang record. Sabihin mo ang gobyerno, titignan mo na yung record. Hindi pwede yung gano'n. Gestapo yan. Alam mo kung gagawin sa'yo yan, ito malitayahan yan. Why bring me to the Hague? When may court of first instance na doon.
Doktor niya.
Yung doktor niya, papuntahin niyo, tawagin niyo. Hindi, tawagan mo.
Doktor niya ang kailangan niya.
Diyos ko, anong klase yan? Vital signs lang? Ganyan, ocular ninyo?
Dahil siyang sakit, kailangan niya yung doktor niya.
Mga medicines na hindi pa ready.
Maraming kong sakit.
Hindi niya siya pwede uwi na ganyan na kailangan niya ng gamot, kailangan ng doktor, kailangan ng nurse niya.
Kakausap ko lang sa isip ko lang. Kausap ko siya. Saka si Asya. Tatawagan.
Oo na. Bigat dito.
That's for the courts to determine, sir. Let's go, sir, please. As a former president, sir, as a prosecutor, and a highly regarded president, sir, and